Upgrade your kitchen decor with Cosmo's 36-inch European-style wall mount range hood and stunning glass visor. Both functional and stylish, its glass canopy traps smoke and steam from escaping. It features 3 fan speeds, 760 CFM of airflow, and an easy-to-clean surface. It features a modern glass visor and energy-efficient LED lighting. Dishwasher-safe permanent stainless steel filters can be cleaned and reused multiple times, saving you money. Easy digital touch controls can be operated with just a finger to operate the 3 fan speeds and auto delay shut-off timer. Class-leading suction quickly cleans the air for a fresh kitchen, no matter the number of pots and pans. The next time you're looking for a wall mount range hood, look for Cosmo's new 668AS900.